Beauties, it's me, Allegra. Babes, you will not believe what I have here today. I myself cannot believe it. It is amazing. It is seriously amazing. Let me go ahead and just show it to you guys because I haven't opened it. I've been waiting to open it with you beauties. So guys, here it is. This is the Wayne Goss times CurrentBody collab. And it is a collab on a beauty box that they put together. So as you can see here, it is huge. So I haven't opened it yet. I do know this is the LED Essentials beauty box. So there's going to be some LED essentials in here. Wayne Goss is super passionate about using LED in skincare, and I myself love using my LED light. So I totally am so psyched for this because I am obsessed with LED. I can't believe what it's done for my skin. So this is an LED Essentials beauty box that we're going to unbox today. And CurrentBody.com, who Wayne has collabed with on this box, is the beauty device experts. So when you go to CurrentBody, you're just going to find the best in beauty, the best in skincare devices, and they kind of curate the whole site. So you're just going to find only the best on CurrentBody. So of course, Wayne Goss, he loves everything the best. He is just, you know, the epitome of perfectionism, I guess, or, you know, he just, when I think of Wayne Goss, I think of just, you know, the ultimate in beauty. So that's why he's teamed up with CurrentBody on this box today. So guys, this is the box with the top off, with the outer wrapping off, and so I'm just gonna open it up, guys. I'm so excited. I can't believe this. They were good enough to send this to me, so thank you so much. I just can't wait to see what's inside. So, oh my god, this is so bougie. First off, the box feels amazing. A lot of you might know I'm a sucker for paper and packaging, and this paper and this box feels amazing already. So, go ahead and see. Oh my god, you guys, look at all of this good stuff inside. Now, this box is a bit pricey. This is luxury skincare. This box runs for about $400, I believe. It's actually, I'm sorry, it's $410, but it is a value because everything in here is worth so much more than $410. So you are getting a huge value when you purchase this box. But let's go ahead, guys, and see. Oh, I already see something to do with eyebrows, and I'm obsessed with eyebrows. So let's see. I'm just going to reach in for the first thing that I reach for, but there's something huge in here, guys, but I guess we'll get to that when we get to it. Here in the box comes the CurrentBody Skin Eyebrow Precision. CurrentBody is the expert in beauty devices, so they have all of the beauty devices you could ever dream of, all on their site. So right here is something to shape your eyebrows. Oh my god, it has a built-in light. Let me just go ahead and open it. This is going to be a beauty device like you cannot believe, because that's what CurrentBody's known for. So they just have the most amazing beauty devices. Oh my god, guys, look at this. So this is a device so you can sculpt your brows so precisely. It is battery operated, but they give you the battery, so you can go ahead and sculpt your brows painless. It says it's painless, so you're gonna be able to just, ooh, guys, okay, what is okay. Let's see here. I would love to try this right now, and there is a light too. How do you turn the light on? There's a light that comes with that, so you can see exactly what you're doing. So Wayne Goss was a part of curating this collection and putting everything together, so that's why we're going to be finding some amazing things like this beauty device right here in the box, in this beauty box today. So, oh, here's the light. There's a little light. I don't know if you can see it, but the light goes on and off. And then you can sculpt your brows and get, oh, that feels so good. It actually kind of just tickles, you know, if anything. So you can get every hair. Yeah, you don't feel anything. Wow. But it's totally sculpting my brows. Wow. Oh, I love this. Oh my god, this is amazing. So then you can just take the little brush that it comes with and clean off. So that's amazing. I can't wait to use this. I'm totally, you know what, I shouldn't even be surprised because like I said, Wayne Goss did curate this box with CurrentBody. So that's why we're going to be finding some amazing things in this box. Let's go ahead and keep moving on and seeing what else is in this beauty box. So here is another brow shaper. This is more like a twinkle, you know, eyebrow razor. So you can use this to shave down and sculpt your brows so they just look absolutely perfect. And you can also, it says here, you can also use these to shave your face, to remove fuzz on your face. So you can use these to shave your face. And they said these are very durable blades, so I can't wait to try these. I love to shave my face, so I'm definitely going to be trying those next. So that looks amazing. I love how they're black too, and they do really feel very durable. They don't feel flimsy whatsoever. Should I try it? Guys, I will try it right now, even though I really don't shave my face with makeup on, but I just have to just give it a try. Oh yeah, it's so precise. Okay guys, your girl is gonna have the brows of my dreams. This is it. So let me keep moving, guys. So also in here is a hydro gel face mask. So with this mask, it says firm, hydrate, nourish, use with or without LED. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe you can wear this under the LED mask that is going to be in here, which I can't believe. I have always wanted an LED mask. I'm so grateful to CurrentBody for sending this to me today, and Wayne Goss, thank you so much, because I have always wanted one of these. And guys, here it is. It's in here. It's an actual LED mask that you can put on your whole face, and this sheet mask here you can wear under the LED mask, and I didn't realize you could do that. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna be getting some amazing results, you guys, because I actually use LED light right now, but I just have a device, and I have to hold it for like a few minutes, and then I move to the next spot, and I move to the next spot. But they have masks like this one here, you guys. Oh my god, from CurrentBody. I have heard so many amazing things about this. So this is a mask that you can just put on, and it does your whole face. So like I said, what I've been doing is holding the device, a different device, to my face, and I wait a few minutes, and then I move to a next spot. But this is going to do your whole face at once. So, because I see a huge difference. When I use my LED machine, I see such a huge difference in my skin. And actually, I did get a treatment, kind of like a laser treatment at the spa. But when you do it at home, I get the same results pretty much. I'm so happy. I'm so excited to try this. And I've heard, like I said, I've heard so many good things about it. So, and then I didn't realize you could wear a sheet mask under this at the same time. This is what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to be back, or I'll do another video and I'll do it with you guys, and we'll do it together, because I really can't wait to try that, the sheet mask under the LED mask. So, here it is, guys. OMG. I don't want to get it dirty, but, because like I said, I do have makeup on, but this is it, you guys. And then you put it behind your ears. Oh my god. It's lightweight. I thought this would be heavy or bulky, these kind of masks, but this is actually totally lightweight. It feels like silicone, soft, pliable material. It's very, very soft. So it's going to feel good on your skin. It's very light. And then let's see here. I guess you can charge it up with a USB cord, or do you plug it in? Let me find out. Here's all the gadgets for it. It comes with all different attachments, so you can do different charging stations. Guys, so you charge it up and then it will stay charged for you. So I believe you could probably walk around your house and you don't have to sit in one place. You could just, I like to use the one that I have now, but I'll definitely be using that one instead now on the computer. Like when I'm doing my computer work or on the computer, I just sit, I just sit and hold my LED to my face and move it around. But now I'm going to put that, I'm going to put a sheet mask on, put that on, and then I'll sit on the computer. And you know, time flies. Like I watch YouTube videos, and I actually do my work, because I have a lot of like computer work to do, and so I can't wait, guys. I'm gonna come back very soon and let you guys know how it's working out for me. I seriously am over the moon. I'm so excited. Oh, here's some goggles type of thing that you could wear over your eyes, I think. And let me see here. Oh, it comes with a bag to keep it in. And then beauties, there are a few more items in this beauty box. This beauty box is amazing, and they do still have some left. They are selling out those super fast. I know a lot of them, they might almost be sold out already, so I hope they're not, because this is an amazing value, an amazing bundle that Wayne Goss has put together with CurrentBody. So they also did send in this beauty box the Daily Foaming Cleanser from CurrentBody Skin, their own line Skin. And then there's something else here. Oh, here is a Daily Aha Tonic, also from CurrentBody. So basically what you would do, you cleanse, you exfoliate, you put the sheet mask on, then you put on the LED mask on top, and it will go on for 10 minutes and it will automatically turn off after 10 minutes. So you don't have to use a timer. It will tell you, you know, it'll go off on its own. It is rechargeable, so you charge it up and then it lasts about 20 sessions, and then you have to charge it again. And you can use it about 3 to 5 times a week to maintain your results. It helps to plump your skin, help your skin to produce collagen. I definitely see so much plumping difference in my skin when I use the LED light. The red light stimulates the collagen, and so it definitely helps fine lines. I don't have any filler in my face or anything. I just use skincare, and all of my results is from skincare and healthy eating. There are actually, beauties, there are more items in this box, believe it or not. So there's actually a Current Skin clarifying clay mask, which I can't wait to use. And here is the Current Skin Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So you're getting all of this in this amazing beauty box for, like I said earlier, $410, but it is worth well over that. The value of this is well over $400. So this is amazing. I really shouldn't be surprised, but being that it's from Wayne Goss and being that it's from CurrentBody, but I am seriously over the moon thrilled right now. I literally can't believe this. This is all so amazing. Between the brows and your skincare, I know the LED also, I feel like it reduces my pore size. So for me, it's helping to reduce pore size, the wrinkles. It produces collagen. It's firming the skin. So I see so many benefits to using the LED light, and I cannot wait till I can actually do my full face, because I have not really ever been able to do that before. So I just hold it at, like I said earlier, I just hold it. It takes me forever. It's kind of annoying, but the results were worth it for me. But now that we've got this full face mask to use, I cannot wait. So I hope you guys will check back in and check out my skincare transformation. I can't wait to try all this out. Let me know if you'd like to try it out with me, because I know I absolutely would love to try it out with you, beauties. I'm just like over the moon thrilled right now. So thank you, beauties, so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know if you have picked up this box yourself. Is this a beauty box that you would pick up? I cannot believe how amazing it is. So I will have it linked below if you beauties would like to check it out for yourself. My skincare addicts out there, let me know if you've already purchased this, because a lot of you guys are onto this stuff before I am. So please let me know down below how it's working out for you. And I can't wait to hear what you guys think about it. And I hope you'll come along with me on our journey of skincare to see what kind of skincare transformation we can get going on here. So thank you, beauties, so much for coming and hanging out with me today. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and also give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. I know I had so much fun filming it. So I love you, beauties, so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I love you.